Okay, back in the first couple lessons of the book, we had triangles. They gave us an angle was 30, an angle was 50, and said find the third angle, right? Those kinds. Now, if you take a look at this, and that used the angle sum theorem, which says all three angles add up to 180. We subtract from 180, we got the answer. Some of you did it in your head, this is too easy, and I really got after you. You need to write equations down. Here's why you want to write equations down, because now, look at this, we don't have any of the angles. It tells us to find x, so I have to rely on a property to create a good equation. The property I'm relying on, again, is the same property. A triangle's angles add up to 180. The angles are, in this case, 2x plus 2, 7x plus 18, and 6x plus 10. The property says they add up to 180, so I make an equation based on that property. Angle A, which is 2x plus 2, added to angle B, which is 7x plus 18, added to angle C, which is 6x plus 10, should equal 180. You take a property that's stated as fact, use the property stated as a fact to create a true equation. A bunch of stuff equals a bunch of stuff. All right, basically that's all an equation is. All this stuff equals all this stuff based on this property. The equation, a good equation, has a single letter in it. X is the only letter happening in this equation, so it can be worked out. If there was multiple letters, if I started off with A plus B plus C equals 180, that's also true, right? But that's not useful because it has too many variables in it. So the fact that A, B, and C have these different names involving X, to get everything in terms of X, that's a better equation. So once I get to this equation with X in it, I combine my terms on the left. 2 plus 7 plus 6, all X terms add up to 15X. 2 plus 18 plus 10, all constants add up to 30. 15x plus 30 is 180. We move the 30 over, so we get 15x equals 150. We divide by x, divide by 15, we get x equals 10. That answers the question they asked me, right? Find x. Another question they could have asked me is find the measure of each angle in this triangle. Suppose they had done that. Right? We'd have to do everything we just did, right? Once we know what x equals, x equals 10, so 10 times 2, 20 plus 2 is 22 degrees. 7 times 10, 70 plus 18 is 88 degrees. 6 times 10, 60 plus 10 is equal to 70 degrees. If you take a look at those three angles, 88 plus 22 is 110, plus 70 is 180. The three angles add up to 180. So they could ask me, how big is angle B? Find the measure of each angle, find x. Anything they ask you, though, starts with the angle sum theorem and in the form of a single letter structure equal to a number, being able to solve it, and then using that answer to find what they're asking you for. So, again, this one said find x, we're done here. Know that in the homework, they sometimes ask for the actual angle measures. Make sure you're answering the question they ask for.